Hello kids, in our last video we learned skip counting of numbers. Do you remember it? Today we will use that same idea to learn something new, the multiplication table of 2. You will see that the table of 2 is very easy and fun. So let's start learning together. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Well done kids. Today we learn the 2 times table. Practice it daily and soon you will learn more tables. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye kids.